This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a cloud interior, sleeps 10, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, slideout, air conditioning, Skylight, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, stove top burner, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDSLE is 8,396 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.